Okay guys, so number of people have asked me about this type of question. There's just a little bit of a trick to it if you think about it. So a number is increased by 1/3 to 20. What is that number? Okay, so the trick is to think what fraction you actually have. So if I increase something by 1/3, what I'm doing, I'm saying I've got 3/3, which is my original, a whole one. I'm adding 1/3 to it, and I'm getting 4/3. Okay, so once I've got that, that tells me that I know that 4/3 of a number is 20. So I follow my steps. I do 40 divided by 4 and then times by 3. So 40 divided by 4 is 5, times that by 3, and we get our answer of 15. Okay, and then if we reverse it and think about it, 15 divided by 3 is 5. I add that on and I get my 20. Okay, so that's how we would do a question like that. Okay, so now I want to look at what happens when we have a decrease, and we use the same technique. We've got to think, what fraction am I left with? Okay, so we started off with our whole number, so we had 5/5 of our number. Okay, picked fifth because I've got fifths here. I'm taking 2/5 off it, which leaves me with 3/5. So if I've taken 2/5 off, I'm left with 3/5. I'm told that the 3/5 in this case is 9, so I can follow my steps. I do 9 divided by 3 and then times that by 5. Okay, so 9 divided by 3 is 3, times that by 5, and again I get 15. And we can just have a little think about that. 1/5 of 15 is 3. 2/5 is therefore 6, and if I take 6 off 15, I get back to my 9. So hopefully guys that will help you with question 3 on the Colbert math sheet. Any other problems, just get in touch.